Hello and welcome to the next part of ESXCLI video tutorial. It's the second part of ESXCLI network namespace. I will talk about the networking area, include the IP configuration, and also a little about vSwitch. Okay, let's begin. In the first step, I show the IP connection and sort the list of TCP and UDP connection. In the result, you can see status of connection. Some of them are established, some of them are time wait, and in some line you can see listening. In next column you will see the word ID in related word ID for each of connection, also word name for each of them, and you can investigate each line of connection. Now let me demonstrate and sort only the listen state and also establish connection. Just be careful of when you use the grep about the capital string. Grep listen and now grep the establish. Now let's back to the network IP. I choose the route and list of the routing table about the IPv4. You can see related VM kernel interfaces and also IPv6 and IPv6 is not enabled. Just remember each time if you want to enable or disable IPv6 and ESXi host needs to reboot. No difference between the command or GUI method. Also you can see list of neighbor. In this list you will see to another ESXi and also vCenter server. And you can see IP interface and manage them based on IPv4 or IPv6. Get the list of IPv4 VM kernel and their IP addresses. You can see we have 4 VM kernel ports in this ESXi host. And IPv6 is not enabled, and you can see any information about them. Let's go to the ESXCLI network vSwitch. You can see both of distribute and standard vSwitches. First, let's look at the DVS available option and namespace. There is only one, and it's the VMware, and I will list them all. You can see total number of use port and configure port, related VMNIC, number of uplinks, and each of connected virtual machine. You cannot manage the distribute via switch in the ESXCLI because the management plane of distributed switch is not blind to the ESXi itself, and it will manage by the vCenter, and you can just manage it from the power CLI, not the ESXCLI. As the ending part of this video, I will review about the standard vSwitch command line of ESXCLI. You can see available namespace of policy, port group, and uplink. Policies related about the failover policy and settings of vSwitch. In the port group, you can manage the port group of the vSwitch, and uplink to add or remove the uplinks of that appropriated vSwitch. And also you have add, list, remove, and set settings for example, MTU size and CDP configuration on that vSwitch. This is the last part of networking configuration by ESXCLI. In the next parts of this video series, we will review about other namespace of ESXCLI. Until the next part, goodbye.